Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Maths. In today's video I'm going to show you how to solve equations with variables on both sides. A rule to remember is to have a variable on one side of an equation, so to get rid of the smaller variable. Let's go right into our first example. Our first example is 6x minus 6 equals 4x plus 4. What we need to do now is to have a variable on one side and get rid of the smaller variable. Our smaller variable in this equation is the 4x. To get rid of the 4x, we need to use inverse operation. 4x is plus 4x. Inverse operation of plus 4x is minus 4x. Remember what you do on the right side of an equation, you need to do also on the other side, on the left side of the equation. This means also subtract 4x on the left side, which leaves us on the left side 2x minus 6 equals, this minus x cancels this plus x, so it leaves us just plus 4. What we need to do now is to isolate the variable on the left side. Also use inverse operation. Inverse operation of minus 6 is addition of 6. And remember, what you do on the left side, you need to do also on the right side. So 4 plus 6. This leaves us 2x, this 6 cancels this 6 out, equals 4 plus 6 is 10. To isolate x, we need to use inverse operation again. 2 times x is 10. Inverse operation of 2 times x is divide by 2. And what you do on the left side, you need to do also on the right side. So we need to divide 10 also by 2, which leaves us x. This cancels this out, so it leaves us x is 10 divided by 2 is 5. So our answer for this equation is 5. We can check this by filling this 5 into our equation, which tells us 6 times 5 minus 6 equals 4 times 5 plus 4. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 minus 6 gives us 24, equals 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 4 gives us 24. So our answer of 5 for the variable x is correct. Let's go to our second example. Our second example is 4n plus 6 is equals 7n minus 9. You have to have the variable on one side and get rid of the smaller variable. Our smaller variable on this equation is the 4n. So we need to subtract 4n on this side. And remember, what you do on one side of a variable, you need to do on the other side also. So subtract 4n on the right side also, which leaves us 6 on the right side equals 7 minus 4n is 3n. And we can bring this 9 down over here. What you need to do now is to isolate the variable. To isolate the variable of n, you need to use inverse operation by adding plus 9 on the right side. What we do on the right side, we need to do also on the left side. So we need to add plus 9 also, which gives us 3n is 6 plus 9 is 15, which gives us, we need to inverse operation also now on the right side, divide by 3 to get n, also divide 15 by 3, which gives us n is 5. Let's fill this in our equation over here. 4 times 5 plus 6 equals 7 times 5 minus 9. 4 times 5 equals 20. 20 plus 6 is 26 equals 7 times 5 is 35 minus 9 equals 26. So this is the check if our outcome of the variable is correct. Our variable of n equals 5 is correct in this case. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care.